Okay, we have 4 aluminum plates, a piece of duct tape, some cable, and then we have some cable right there we can use for tubing right there for the hydrogen gas. We have a standard Dubro click clunk, nylon washers, bulkhead fittings, nylon washers, a drill bit which is required, and a lot of stuff we got from HHO right here. Here we have 4 identical aluminum plates, 4 inches by 10 inches, that are 16 thousandths of an inch thick, which means they're very sharp, and literally right here at the corners will cut your finger off if you're not careful. They were thoroughly burnished with 220 grit sandpaper, washed in warm soapy water. You can see here the stack of plates, or pile as I call it here. There's 4 aluminum plates. You see the bolts that are drilled through. Right here, notice this bolt here is not in line with the others. If you use a symmetrical bolt pattern like this, be careful, because if you invert a plate upside down or from one end to the other, they will not stack correctly because it's not perfect with the drilling. Plates were stacked during drilling. Anyway, we're about ready to close it up. Here we have the car battery charger. Looks like right now it's pulling about 8 amps. And it looks like it's about 75% charged. Here's the battery. It's charging up. We'll probably use this right here for the first few tests. Notice we have the caps off so not to build up any explosive gases. Well, I never anticipated this one right here. It seems that this nut here will not accept a bolt, and these others here, they will accept the nut. However, the nut is a locking nylon nut. Now, to remove this bolt here and reinstall another one, as you can see, there are washers in between that plate. So if you remove the bolt, all the washers disappear, which means you disassemble the entire project. Damn, it's not something I counted on. I guess it's a learning experiment. Anyway, I know what to do. It's not going to be the solution I want, but I know what to do, so it comes apart. Yep, the whole thing comes apart now, and I got to redo it. Alright. Notice here that there are 8 bolts and 8 nuts. Each nut is mated to a particular bolt. They have come on and off several times, and we're going to go back and do this all over again, matching up each nut with each bolt. Well, the reconstruction project went just fine. We have all the bolts are put in properly, matched up with all the nuts and things, and now we have a couple of cables ready to be attached. We'll solder in soon.